Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option B, Dibrugarh. Who won the women's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Madison Keys. Who won the ICC Men's T20 International Cricketer of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer is option C, Arshdeep Singh. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Who won gold medal in the women's 75 kg boxing event at the National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lovlina Borgohain. Bart de Wever has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, Belgium. Which country won the ICC Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup 2025 title? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Services Sports Control Board. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. Which neighboring country of India has launched the Operation Devil Hunt to tackle violence? Correct answer is option B, Bangladesh. Who was awarded the Player of the Match in the ICC Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gogandi Trisha. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Which team recently won the Men's Hockey India League title? Correct answer is option A, Rad Bengal Tigers. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A, Guneri Inland Mangroves. National Women's Day is celebrated every year in India on February 13th to mark the birth anniversary of which personality? Correct answer is option D, Sarojini Naidu. Who was honored with the BCCI's Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Who has been honored with the prestigious Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Who is the present governor of Manipur? Correct answer option B, Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Who has won the title of Indian Snooker Championship 2025? Right answer is option C, Pankaj Advani. Hisashi Takuch has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which company? Correct answer is option D, Maruti Suzuki India. Which men's kabaddi team won the gold medal at the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who has become the Indian wicket-keeper who has scored the most runs T20 cricket? Correct answer is option A, Dinesh Karthik. Who has won the Women's Hockey India League 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, Odisha Warriors. What is India's rank in the World Bank Logistics Performance Index? Correct answer is option C, 38th rank. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, 96th. Which state government has launched India's first WhatsApp-based governance platform named Manmitra? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which state is the host of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Hariman Sharma has been honored with Padma Shri Award for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option A, Indian agriculture. Which country becomes the first nation to criminalize AI child abuse tools? Correct answer is option A, Britain. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. Alexander Lukashenko has won the presidential election of which country? Correct answer is option D, Belarus. Who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of IDBI Bank? Correct answer is option B, Rakesh Sharma. Where was G20 foreign ministers meeting held recently? Correct answer is option C, Johannesburg, South Africa. Which state tops the Niti Aayog's first Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Orissa. Which Indian cities were recently included in the list of wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Correct answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. Who has recently launched the iSpot portal? Correct answer is option C, SEBI. Tashego Gailai has become the first black woman to be crowned Mrs. World in 2025. She belongs to which country? Correct answer is option C, South Africa. Who won the Tata Steel Masters 2025 title at Netherlands in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, R. Praganananda. Which state will have the Makhana Board established under Budget 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. The joint military exercise, Cyclone 2025, was held between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Egypt. Which institute has launched a zero waste bioplastics initiative? Correct answer is option A, IIT Madras. Christine Kalakandalu, who was awarded the Pravasi Bhartiya Samman Award 2025, is the president of which country? Correct answer is option A, Trinidad and Tobago. Which state will establish India's first artificial intelligence university? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. What is Zomato's new name after its rebranding? Correct answer is option B, Eternal. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. Which country has withdrawn from the United Nations Human Rights Council after US? Correct answer is option C, Israel. Which Indian origin astronaut set a new record for the longest spacewalking time by a woman? Right answer is option B, Sunita Williams. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which country has announced the withdrawal from the World Health Organization, following the United States? Correct answer is option B, Argentina. Who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India, whose term has been extended till March 2027? Correct answer is option B, V. Anantha Nageshwaran. Which country is the host of Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, France. Who has been honored with the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 in the Dogri language category? Correct answer is option A, Chaman Arora. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference 2025 being held? Correct answer is option A, Muscat, Oman. How many new sites have been added to Ramsar sites in India recently? Correct answer is option B, 4. Which state government has launched Nodi Bandhan scheme? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Who is the author of the book The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts? Correct answer is option A, Arun Shourie. Which state has the highest number of vultures according to the recent census? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Simolu festival was recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Which sector has been termed Old War Horse in the Economic Survey 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, service sector. World Pulses Day 2025 was celebrated on? Correct answer is option A, the 10th of February. What was the theme of the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option B, Green Games. Who has been recently appointed as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Where was the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Harbin, China. Which country has topped the medal tally of 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Jhumwa Binandini is a traditional dance performed in which state? Correct answer is option D, Assam. Which organization has recently launched the One Man Office initiative? Correct answer is option C, LIC. Who has recently taken charge as the Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option A, Vivek Joshi. Which two countries launched the Trust Initiative in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, India and US. Where was India's first open-air art wall museum inaugurated recently to commemorate 150-year journey of Indian Meteorological Department? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Where will the first Olympic Esports Games be held in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. By which year has India set a target to eliminate lymphatic filariasis? Correct answer is option B, 2027. Which state government has launched Gi Safal scheme to uplift 50,000 underprivileged women? Correct answer is option D, Gujarat. Konstantinos Tsoulas has recently been elected as the new president of which country? Correct answer is option D, Greece. In which city the Global Investors Summit 2025 organized? Correct answer is option A, Bhopal. Jotham Napat has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vanuatu. Which of the following won the Best Film Award at the 78th British Academy Film Awards in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Conclave. Who has been recently appointed as the second Principal Secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. Who has won the BBC Sportswoman of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Manu Bhaker. World Day of Social Justice is observed annually on February 20th. What is the theme for World Day of Social Justice 2025? Correct answer is option C, Empowering Inclusion, Bridging Gaps for Social Justice. Which country will host the BRICS Leaders Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Brazil. What will be the fiscal deficit for the financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, 4.4%. Which ministry has received the highest budget allocation in 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Defense. The FDI limit in the insurance sector has been raised to what percent from 74% in budget 2025? Correct answer is option D, 100%. What was the theme of the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is option C, Sabka Vikas. Which Indian city is the host of BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Which day is observed as World Radio Day? Correct answer is option B, February 13th. Where was the Prakriti 2025 International Conference on Carbon Markets held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who was honored with the Paulie Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Right answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Where has South Africa's largest Hindu temple been inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option C, Johannesburg. Which state has recently been declared Naxal-free? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. How much money has been allocated to the Indian Railways in the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, 2.52 lakh rupees crore. Where has the exercise Sagar Kavach been conducted by the Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Which country has recently joined OPEC Plus? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. Who has been appointed as the director of the FBI? Correct answer is option C, Kash Patel. Ali Ai Ligang festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Assam. Dmitry Bakanov has become the Director General of which country's state-run space agency? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Kolkata's Fort William has been renamed as? Correct answer is option C, Vijayadurg. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of SEBI? Correct answer is option B, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Test question. Which country topped the medal tally of the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.